found a fork in the freezer, half a song on the shelf, sticky note on the orange juice. You signed it, love yourself. Midnight feels like a hallway, every door is a dare. Left the light on in the pantry like you knew I'd go stare. Leftovers in the fridge, little lives we almost lived. Half a cake, half a confession, Tupperware full of what if. I reheat the day you left, till the edges start to crisp. Leftovers in the fridge taste like you, then just a myth. There's your jar of pickled bravery, labeled have when you're scared. I twist the lid, it laughs at me, guess the courage needs air. Found your plans on a napkin, spilled coffee, smudged dreams. We were big about tomorrow, got too small in between. Leftovers in the fridge, little lives we almost live. Half a cake, half a confession, Tupperware full of what if. I reheat the day you left, till the edges start to crisp. Leftovers in the fridge taste like you, then just a myth. Maybe I should clean it out, let the past go bad, but throwing you in the trash feels a little too fast. So I stand in the humming light, bare feet, 2 a.m. bright, choosing which version of us I'll bite tonight. Just one more bite. Leftovers in the fridge, little lives we almost lived. Sad dessert, brave little blessing, stacked behind the almond milk.